What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting day. We're finally gonna go pick up the car. Sorry in advance. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys the car just yet because, again, we're doing a big reveal video. You might have to wait a little bit longer to see the car. We got all the tires in the back of the TC. For a car this small, this thing definitely holds a bunch of tires. So we got all these. And the work doesn't stop. So basically what we need to do today is transfer the tires over to Sufyan's truck. We're gonna take Sufyan's truck down to Beltsville. That's where we're gonna be picking up the car from. Once we get there, we gotta pay for everything, put a little dent in the bank account, and go drop the tires and the car off at another shop, which is pretty local, GR Customs down in Beltsville. Talking to the owner, super nice guy. He said I can come down, drop the car off, and he'll situate all the tires for me. Once we get the tires on the wheels and we're not rubbing anymore, then we can finally go home, take the car home. And then once we get home, we still have a bunch of stuff to do, like lower the car a little bit more, just make sure everything's situated so that we can call it complete. Basically, we still have the badges. I don't think, oh damn, I forgot those at home, but I got the new custom badges from Louvre Labs. So we have custom ghost emblems that are gonna go around the car. We gotta put those on. We're in the final stretch. We're finally gonna be getting this car buttoned up and ready to go. And I think there's a car meet happening Sunday. It's Friday now, so I'm really excited to see if we can maybe make the car meet and showcase this car in person maybe before we do the reveal video. So if you show up to the car meet, you might be able to see it. Oh, it's not outside.
Where's the shop?
Right there. I guess you can just pull up right there.
Oh.
At a first glance, the car looks amazing. I don't want to look at it too much.
Yeah, I haven't looked at it.
Yeah, I looked at it.
I stopped looking at it.
I was like, I want to see that shit.
I'm not gonna show it to you guys, so that sucks. But that's gonna have to wait till, I guess, the reveal video for you guys to actually see it. But we're gonna go ahead and pay for it, pick it up, take it to the tire shop, and then put the new tires on it. Even the owner here, he was like, yo, it's rubbing like crazy. So we need to get that done ASAP. So before we go home. Coming to these sketchy little tire places is so scary. Like, I don't want to show you guys the car. You guys can see a little bit glimpse of it, but it's so sketchy. You can see these in two jacks. Those are like a fancier shop, but they're busy. So it's the next day now, and I'm so excited. Like, this is the first time seeing my car back in the sun sitting by itself, and oh my god, does it look amazing. Now, I did see a few small imperfections with the car when it first got back from the body shop, and the owner and the workers, they were just like, look, that's on us, we messed up here, bring it back, we'll fix it for you. They didn't notice it, that was the thing. I don't think they would have let me take the car with it, but once we got it out in the sunlight and I was making sure I looked over every detail, there was a few small things that need to be addressed, and they said they're gonna fix it. No charge at all to me, so I just gotta drop it back off. They're gonna take a few days, fix everything, and then give it back to me. And there's some things that I think we're gonna make look a little bit better. So those ideas, I'm still taking some time to think about them, and then we're gonna drop it off, get this car 100%. Now, right here you can see I got the 295 35s on. Yesterday when I originally got the car back from the shop, this thing was rubbing like crazy. I really couldn't drive it. I had to drive at like 20-30 miles per hour until I got to the tire shop, get everything changed over. But now it's looking like we're all good. So I'm gonna go pick up the parts for the last video. I think in the last video we were working on the alternator, so I'm actually gonna go pick that up right now. So yeah, my timelines are all kind of screwed up right now. So I think I'm gonna go pick that up, bring it back, get the alternator fixed. So you should have seen that in the last video, and then this video is gonna be me picking up the car. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out for myself, to be honest. That's why I'm talking to you guys about it. But yeah, let's get to it. One last thing I want to show you guys before I close out the video is this right here. Look at this. Finally getting to the final touches of the car. This is one of the coolest things ever. And you're actually sitting on the car right now, so I don't want to show you guys it. But this is gonna go right on the fender where the stock 392 badge or the Hemi badge or Scat Pack badge, whatever you have goes. Originally, Lions Kit has their own emblem. Either way, Lions Kit has their own badge that they usually give you, and the badge is super nice. It's like black and golden outline and stuff like that, but I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna do it, I should do it right. And as you can see, it says Ghost right there, and everyone knows the car's nickname is Ghost. So even look at the eyes, look at the details. The eyes have the red accent just like my engine bay does, my interior does. So this is really gonna tie the car all together once it's all done. As of right now, the car is pretty much done. We just have a few small things that we need to do. Like I'm gonna lift up the rears right now, drop the coils a little bit to make it a little bit lower, put a little bit more preload on the rear springs, because as of right now, I'm hearing a little bit of knocking when I'm driving. So I think what's happening is the car is hitting the spring, then compressing. So I'm gonna add a little bit more preload. So with that being done, it is gonna be a little bit lower as well. So overall, the fitment is great. I don't wanna keep rubbing in your face that I'm not showing you guys a car, but it's gonna look amazing. So definitely stay tuned. And one last thing, if anyone needs tires, I have some Toyo Proxies right here. As you can see, there's still a bunch of thread left because I never really beat on this car as much as people think I would. 500 horsepower car, I never really did. So got two Toyo Proxies right here. This is a 295 4520, and then I have two Eagle RSRs, something like that, Eagle RSAs, and these things have a good amount of life in them, but not that much, not as much as the Toyos, obviously. So if anyone wants those for a steal and you live in Maryland, hit me up on Instagram and you can have them. But I just want to say a huge shout out to everyone for watching, staying this long, and staying up to date with the build. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest of the car when it's finally complete and we have the reveal video coming up and stuff. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.